lecture, we are going to learn about the special characters and sets for regular expressions. By utilizing special characters and sets, you can create more flexible and precise patterns to match and manipulate text. They enhance the versatility of regular expressions and enable you to handle various scenarios, such as validating input, extracting specific information, or transforming data. So let us start with special characters in regular expressions. There are 5 main special characters used in regular expressions, which are \a, \b, \D, \small d, \s. Let's understand the usage of each of these. Let's start with \a. This special character represents the start of a string. It matches the position at the beginning of the entire string. It is different from the caret character, which matches the start of a line within the string. Now let's take a look at the example. In this specific example, since the pattern "the" is not present at the start of the string, I love watching movies, the output will be an empty list. Now let's move on to next special character, that is \b. This special character matches a position that is not a word boundary. It is the opposite of \small b, which matches a word boundary. A word boundary is a position between a word character like alphabets, digits, underscores, and a non-word character like spaces or punctuation. Now let's take a look at the example for \B. Since the code tries to find all occurrences of the pattern \BI in the string "I love watching movies," it will return a list of all occurrences where the letter I appears at the beginning of a word. However, since there is no word in the string that starts with the letter I, the output will be an empty list. Next, we have \D special character. This matches any non-digit character. It is the opposite of \small d, which matches any digit character from 0 to 9. Let's take an example. This code finds all non-digit characters in the string S1 and returns them as a list. And the print function is used to display the result, which will be the list of non-digit characters in the string. Next, we have \small d. This special character matches any digit character from 0 to 9. It is commonly used to match numerical values or sequences of digits. If we take the same string as earlier, we get an empty list as the output, as it only matches the digits from 0 to 9. And we can see that there are no digits present in the string S1. Finally, we have \small s. This special character matches any white space character, including spaces, tabs, and new lines. It is commonly used to match and manipulate white space in strings. Let's take an example. The output of this example will depend on the input string S1. In the given example, the output will be this, as there are 3 spaces in the string "I love watching movies." Each space is represented by an individual element in the list. In simpler terms, the code is using regular expressions to find and extract all the spaces in the given sentence. The output shows all the spaces found in the sentence as separate elements in a list. We have learned about the special characters used in regular expressions. Now let us move on to the sets in regular expressions. A set is a set of characters inside a pair of square brackets with a special meaning. Let's get started. We have ARN, our first set, which returns a match where one of the specified characters, A, are, or n are present. For example, if we have a text, I love watching movies, we get the result as a, comma, n, because a and n are present in the text, but r is not present in the text. Next, we have the set a to n, which returns a match for any lowercase character, alphabetically between a and n. Let us check with the same example where the text is I love watching movies. The output will be this. You can notice that all the characters between a to n are printed. Then we have the set caret ARN, which returns a match for any character except A, R, and N. For example, if we look for the set caret ARN in the text, I love watching movies, the output will be this. You can see that we have got all the characters in the output except A, R, and N. Next, we have the set 0 to 9, which returns a match for any digit between 0 and 9. For example, if we have a text, I love watching movies after 8 p.m., the output will be 8, as 8 is the only digit present in the text. Then we have the set small a, small z, capital A, capital Z, which returns a match for any character alphabetically between A and Z, lowercase or uppercase. In this example, the result will be this. You can see that we get all the characters in the string in the output, as they are either uppercase or lowercase. Then we have the set plus, which returns a match for any plus character in the string. You can see that in this example, the output is an empty list, as there is no plus character in the string. And with this, we have reached the end of this lecture on special characters and sets in regular expressions. I hope you guys have understood the concept of regular expressions thoroughly, as it is considered to be extremely important for web scraping, text mining, and natural language processing.